Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Upasana Taneja. So today I'm back with another maths question that says you need to solve this term. What do we have here? We have, if you look at it carefully, we have 33333 times 44444 divided by 66666, right? So if we need to solve this, we actually need to follow bead mass, right? Or board mass, you can say, or bead mass. According to that, we need to solve division first and then we need to solve multiplication, right? So what if I just write, that means I need to solve this part first, right? So I will just write this term like as it is, 33,333 times, what will I do? I will write it as this, 44444 divided by 66,666, right? Now I can actually observe a pattern here again. Okay, we try to observe things in every question. So what will I do? Instead of this, I would write here 4 times 11,111 and 6 times 11,111. Now our question became actually simpler. Why? Because we can cancel out these two, right? So we are left with, if I solve this, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, right? So we are left with 33333 times 2 by 3. Now we just need to divide this with 3 and we get 1 1 1 1 1, and if we multiply we get 2 2 2 2 2, and which is our answer, right? So the question was very simple. The only thing is you need to observe the pattern, observe things like how, what can you do and how do you need to solve actually, right? So you always try to solve division part first and then come to multiplication thing, right? So I hope you understood this. This was very easy board mass question. If you like it, do subscribe to my channel and visit my channel for many more questions. And if you like to solve math riddles, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you in next video.